Hello bachon, let's see the question here. Question says that following given passage, the 5 observations regarding alkali metals are mentioned. On exposure to air, sodium hydroxide becomes liquid and after some time it changes to white powder. In water, LiF is least soluble fluoride among fluorides of alkali metal, but its solubility increases as HF is added in aqueous solution. LiH more stable than NaH when heated separately. When excess of Na2H2O3 solution is added to FeCl3 solution, an intense violet coloration is produced, but violet color disappears shortly. Between Na plus and Ag plus is stronger Lewis acid. The reaction for observation 1 can be explained as NaOH solid in H2O result in NaOH aqueous. P with reaction with H2O will result in NaOH solid on reaction with H2O, NaOH aqueous, and after dehydration, that is removal of H2O, Na2O solid, NaOH solid with reaction H2O, this will result in NaOH aqueous, and further on reaction in air, Na2O solid, NaOH solid on reaction with water, this will result in NaOH aqueous, and further reaction with CO2, this will result in Na2CO3 solid. Here I will start the solution और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So for this it is said that on exposure to air sodium hydroxide becomes liquid. So here in this case what will happen, NaOH solid, when we leave this in air it will absorb all the moisture from air, or we can say H2O. So on reaction with H2O from air this will result in NaOH aqueous. Further, it is said that after some time it changes to white powder. So we know that NaOH liquid, when this reacts with carbon dioxide which is present in air, so what will happen on reaction with carbon dioxide, this will form Na2CO3 solid which is white in color and powdered form, that is this is white powder. So if we see here the option D gives correct reaction for observation 1, that is NaOH solid on reaction with water results in NaOH aqueous, and further reaction with CO2 results in Na2CO3 solid which is white powder. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.